In this video, I will show you how to add new chemical inventory. The ability to add new chemical inventory is restricted to only users that have the Update Inventory privilege. If you have this privilege, you should see a quick link labeled Add Chemical Inventory. After clicking this link, UNHCEMS will open a new form. The first field is the owner of the new container. Let's type a few characters of the owner's first or last name in this field. As we are typing, UNHCEMS will automatically display matching results. You can use the up and down arrows on your keyboard to select the owner. After selecting the owner, UNHCEMS will automatically populate the new location field with the most likely location for the new inventory item. This is done by inspecting where this owner has the most chemical inventory. Often this default value is the right choice. However, you can select another room from the select box. The options in the select box are other rooms the selected owner owns inventory. If the location is not one of these, you can always select another record by clicking the ... button. After selecting a location, you may enter an inner location. Defining an inner location is optional. Sometimes it is useful to set an inner location that is a labeled shelf, cabinet, or refrigerator. It is up to your CHEMS administrator and room owners to decide how finely detailed they would like to track their inventory. Once inner locations are defined for a room, they are available for quick selection in the select list. Next, optionally append a note. Then place a barcode on the container and either type in the barcode or zap it with your barcode scanner. After scanning the barcode, UNHCEMS will prompt you to identify the chemical substance. The best way to identify a chemical substance is by the product number on the container. All manufacturers list an identifier on the container label that uniquely identifies the product for the manufacturer. Let's start by typing in a product number. As I type, you can see that UNHCEMS displays a list of matching products from the system catalog. As soon as I select the product, the chemical details of that product are listed. I can take a look at these details to ensure that they are accurate. If there is missing information, I can enter it. To proceed, I can click Next, or I can use the Page Down shortcut key. I then review the container information and press Page Down. After doing this, the new inventory item is saved and now available within chemical inventory searches and other reports. Any missing fields that I define, such as the container type, density, quantity, or units, will be saved into the catalog record, so next time I won't have to re-enter them. The Add New Chemical Inventory form is optimized for speed. All data can be keyed without using a mouse. Adding new inventories can be fast. Let's add some more inventory. You'll notice that the fields on this form are sticky. I don't have to re-enter the owner and location. Often this makes sense if you are entering multiple items for a location or owner. Let's pretend that we want to select a location that isn't listed because the owner does not currently have inventory at that location. To do this, we'll click the ... button. Anytime you click a ... button, UNHCEMS will open a record set of all the possible records in the system that you can assign. In this case, UNHCEMS is displaying all rooms in the system. Let's filter on the room name. Oops, it didn't find any records. There are no room names that contain 200. Let's try 20. Okay, so here is a bunch of rooms that contain 20 in the name. And let's go ahead and select room 206. To select a room, I click the select button here, the green plus sign. This will automatically set the location. I can now proceed with the next step. But let's say that the room I was looking for is not in the system. When we typed in the 200 for the filter, that room didn't exist. So let's try that. We'll set it equal to 200, and we'll notice that that room does not exist. Alright, there are no rooms in the system that are 200. Let's create a new record. Click the New Record button on the top right. This will open the new record form. From here, I can fill out all the required fields and click Save. You'll notice that as soon as I click Save, the saved record was automatically selected. This procedure of associating one record to another is used throughout UNHCEMS. It is powerful because it allows you to find another record in the system by filtering on any field in the record set. And if the record you are looking for does not exist, UNHCEMS will allow you to create it and select it on the fly.